Very good morning, dear guys. Today we are going to begin the first one story from the book Footprints Without Fate. And dear, there is a triumph of surgery. A triumph of surgery, the first one story in the book Footprints Without Fate. This story has been written by James Herriot. James Herriot, who is a physician, doctor, a surgeon. Okay, so let's see first of all what is the meaning of triumph. Okay, triumph means victory. Okay, victory, vijay. Okay, that is called vijay, victory. Okay, triumph means victory. So here, when if you go through the story, you will find that why the title is given, or we will see why the title is given there, a triumph of surgery. Okay, so first of all, understand the characters of this story. Okay, characters. So dear, in this story there are three main characters. Okay, first one is Tricky. Okay, first one is Tricky. Who is Tricky? Yes, actually Tricky is a dog. Okay, Tricky is a dog, or what you can say, a pet dog. Okay, simply you can say a pet. एक पालतू कुत्ता है जिसका नाम है ट्रिकी. Yes, here what happens with the dog? He got severely, or he became severely ill. Okay, he became severely ill. In this story you will find that he became severely ill. Why? Because of malnutrition. Okay, severely ill due to malnutrition. Okay, due to malnutrition. Due to malnutrition means because of overfeeding. Because of, simply we can say, because of overfeeding. Okay, instead of writing here, write here overfeeding. Due to the overfeeding, he became like bloated sausage. The adjectives are used there for him. Bloated sausage, एक जैसे फुगा हुआ समोसा के जैसे कैसे होता है, जिसमें से चार ऐसे पैर निकले हुए और पूरा फुगा हुआ. So likewise, yes, what you can say, severely fat. Yes, the word is mentioned actually for that is hugely fat. Yes, that we can say hugely fat. Okay, so then what happened? As he became hugely fat, he was unable to even walk on. He was unable to even walk, even unable to play. Yes, unable to just stand on his feet. His feet. Yes, you are just omitting, doing the omitting. Yes. So that's why it is mentioned here. There he became severely ill. Yes. So then what happens? The owner of the dog, Mrs. Pumphrey. Okay, the owner of the dog, Mrs. Pumphrey, called for doctor. Okay, called for doctor, and then doctor took him to his hospital. Okay, hospital, or you can say his house. Okay, took him to his hospital or to his house, and they treated there. Okay, gave treatment to him there. And then what happened? Within some days he was cured. Okay, within some days he was cured. And this is called, this success is called, this success. Okay, the success, which success? The cure of the dog. this success is called a triumph of surgery. Yes, this success is called triumph of surgery. Okay, success of what? The cure of the dog. The cure of the dog is called here a triumph of surgery. So this is a bit information about the dog Tricky. Okay, then actually what kind of treatment the doctor gave him, we will see in the story. Okay, that question is mostly asked, what was the treatment given by the doctor? So we will see it in detail, how he treated the dog. He actually I would like to give you just brief idea about the treatment that doctor had given. Doctor had given him nothing, not even a single medicine, not even a single medicine he did not give him. So then how he was cured? Actually, instead of giving him any medicine, the doctor gave him just water, nothing else. Not a single piece of food, we can say, what you can say, the single item of food. He did not give him any single item of food, just water and water, nothing else. And then within some days, the fatness of that dog was reduced, the laziness of that dog was reduced, and then he became active, started playing with other dogs. Yes, started playing with other dogs which were there in the surgery. Then within some days he became completely cured. He was completely cured within some days. And then the doctor called for the lady, Mrs. Pumphrey, and then she took him away. So here the treatment the doctor gave, that is also important. Why? Because he was what you can say, the victim of malnutrition, and doctor knew it very well. And that's why he treated the dog in the same manner, or what you can say, accordingly. He treated the dog accordingly. So here that treatment, the cure of the dog is called here a triumph of surgery. Okay, now let's see the another character. The first one is Tricky. Okay, first one very important character is Tricky, about whom the whole story revolves. Okay, the whole story revolves around the dog Tricky. Okay, then let's see another character. Another character is Mrs. Pumphrey. Okay, second one correct character, Mrs. Pumphrey. Okay, Mrs. Pumphrey. So who is Mrs. Pumphrey? Mrs. Pumphrey is the mistress of the dog Tricky. Yes, mistress, that means what we can say, the owner. Okay, owner of the dog, mistress. So then what is here? This lady is wealthy. Okay, wealthy lady she is. Besides, she was giving a luxurious life, to the dog. Okay, luxurious life to dog. बढ़िया luxurious life, आरामदायक जिंदगी वो जी रहा था. Everything he was getting. Yes, even she overfed the dog. Yes, overfed the dog. Besides, again you can say that the lady loves the dog so much. Okay, loves the dog so much. Yes, and she was, what can I say, caring too. Yes, when the dog was taken to the surgery, when the dog was taken to the surgery, that means the hospital, the house of the surgeon, James Herriot, she was, what can I say, uncomfortable at home. She was uncomfortable. She was uncomfortable at home when the dog was taken to the surgery for some days. Yes, so this shows the love and the care. Yes, the care, love and the care of the lady for the dog. Yes, so here this is about Mrs. Pumphrey. Yes, she loves the dogs too much, so much. Yes, she loves the dog a lot. Yes, she fed him a lot that he became seriously ill, severely ill, we can say. So, and at last, what happened when the dog was cured? When she got a call from the dog that it was cured, she immediately went to the surgery and took her dog back. Took her dog back. Yes, and there she said these words, a triumph of surgery. These are the words of that lady. Okay, when she saw her dog cured, active, playing with other dogs, completely cured, she uttered these words. She uttered these words. Oh, this is a triumph of surgery. So these are the words. These are the words spoken by the lady. So there, the recovery of the dog from that fatness, from that illness is called here a triumph of surgery by the lady Mrs. Pumphrey. Yes, that you will find at the end of the story, the last sentence is there, a triumph of surgery. Yes, the last line is there, a triumph of surgery, that is spoken by the lady Mrs. Pumphrey. Yes, so when she saw the dog recovered, cured, so there she spoke these words. This is a triumph of surgery. Yes, so this is another character, Mrs. Pumphrey. Okay, then again there is third one character, which is also the what can I say, the very important character, and that is James Herriot. Okay, we should write Dr. James Herriot. Okay, Dr. James Herriot. Okay, Dr. James Herriot is a physician here. Okay, a doctor, we can say, as we have written here, a doctor, or it is better to say the doctor who cured the dog. Yes, the doctor. So here you should say that he is, again another thing, speaker or narrator of the story, narrator of the story or speaker of the story. Second thing, you could say that he is the surgeon or he is the doctor. He is the doctor who cured the dog. Actually, what happens there? When he saw the dog hugely fat, so there he advised the lady to cut down his food, but the lady did not, and he knew that within some days she may call him, and that dog will become severely ill, and that happened. The lady called the doctor, the Dr. James Herriot. Then what happened? He took the dog. To the surgery. Okay, surgery means what here? Surgery means his hospital or his house, we can say. Yes, the house or the hospital of the Dr. James Herriot, that is called here surgery. Okay, so here he took the dog to his surgery, and then gave him treatment in his own way. Okay, treated the dog in his own way. Okay, own way, अपने तरीके से उसे ट्रीट किया, विदाउट गिविंग एनी मेडिसिन. ओके, विदाउट गिविंग एनी मेडिसिन. ओके, विदाउट गिविंग एनी मेडिसिन, किसी भी प्रकार की मेडिसिन नहीं देता है. विदाउट गिविंग एनी मेडिसिन ही क्योर्ड द डॉग. ओके, क्योर्ड द डॉग within some days. Okay, or within few days we can say. Within some days he cured the dog, and this recovery and the recovery of the dog from the illness, recovery of the dog from the illness at the surgery. Surgery means that hospital. Okay, at the surgery is called here a triumph of surgery. A triumph of surgery. Okay, so this is what you can say, the brief idea about the characters. So here the doctor James Herriot cured the dog, and that recovery of the dog is called here a triumph of surgery. Okay, so this is a brief idea about the characters. Okay, now let's see the plot, the story. Okay, what is plot there? Okay, so do write fast in your coffee if you want to do write. Then we will see the plot of the story. Okay, done. Okay, now let's see the plot. Okay, plot of the story. So here, or what can I say, the events or the plot or the story, what is there? Okay, what is there in the story? So here there is a dog who became seriously ill. That means Tricky became severely ill. Yes, Mrs. Pumphrey called for the doctor James Herriot. Okay, called for the doctor James Herriot. Okay, called for the doctor. Then what happens there? James Herriot took him to his surgery. Okay, took him to his surgery. The doctor James Herriot took him to his surgery. Okay, then what happens there? He gave him the simple treatment, without any medicine. Okay, in his own way. Then what happens? Look at the plot. Okay, or the sequence. Tricky became severely ill. Mrs. Pumphrey, the owner of the dog, called for the doctor. James Herriot, the doctor, took him to his surgery. Then he gave him the simple treatment without any medicine, without giving any medicine. Okay, without giving any medicine. Then what happens? At last, within some days, he recovered, or the dog was cured. Within some days, the dog was cured. Okay, the dog was cured. And then at last, if it is completed, do write fast in your copy. And then what happens at last? At last, look at there. At last, the lady, Mrs. Pumphrey, took the dog back, and she called the recovery of the dog as a triumph of surgery. Okay, this is the plot, the sequence of the story. Okay, so just understand the plot, understand the characters. Okay, understand the plot, understand the characters, and again, besides this, we will go line by line. Okay, and we will deal the story line by line. Don't worry, and that we will do in our next video lecture. Okay, but just for your information, I have given you the introduction of the story, the plot of the story, and the characters. Okay, so I think you have got the brief idea about the story, and hope that you might have understood a bit about it. Okay, so keep watching the videos and enjoy the classes. Okay guys, so see you soon in our next video lecture. Bye bye.